Number 6. Which of the following is equivalent to the sum of the expressions a minus 1 and a plus 1? And it gives us some options. So the sum of the expressions, which means a squared minus 1 is being added to a plus 1. So a squared minus 1 plus a plus 1. These two expressions get added to each other. So to combine them, we got to get rid of the parentheses. There's no coefficient outside this first expression, so pretty much the parentheses can be eliminated. A squared minus 1 plus a plus 1. And now all we have to do is combine like terms and simplify. There's only one term with a in it that is raised to the second power, so a squared remains the same. The next lowest exponent is positive 1 on this term, and there's no other term like it, so we have plus a. Then we have negative 1 and positive 1, which cancel, and that only leaves us with a squared plus a, which means that answer A is our answer.